Hi, Monique Regan-White. We had talked this morning and had a Zoom meeting about how to embed documents, PDF files into Canvas. And so I thought I would go through that with you again, kind of a little slower, and hopefully give you a tool that you can go back and watch over and over again, and it'll help you so you don't have to remember so much stuff. So without further ado, let's get involved here. All right, I'm looking at my Canvas page. And basically, I've got an open blank page here. This is what I'm going to embed things in. Now, first of all, to embed a PDF file, as you recall, you want to host it on the files, in the files repository. So let's go over here to Files. And you see I've got a couple of PDFs already in here. I'm going to upload another one just so you can see how it's done. Remember, you click the blue button that says Upload. You pick a PDF file. I'm going to go to Documents. Let's see what I've got here. There's one. Student Canvas Design Request. I'm going to upload that. You'll notice the little bar went across very quickly. And now I have Student Canvas Design Request PDF in my Files section. So that's good. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm through with Files. I'm going to go back to Pages. And once Pages opens up, I'm going to view all pages, and I can either add a new page, or in this case, I'm going to go back to Video Test, and I'm going to embed that here. So the way that I do that, I click Edit. I click the link, and this is going to be a course link because it is in Files and not on a web page somewhere else out in the internet world. I change it from links to files because I do want to embed the file, which is located in my course files. And there it is, Student Canvas Design Requests. All I have to do is click it. And now if I click the link that was created, I can either do overlay or I can do inline. Now if you do overlay, it makes it covers the whole screen. It makes a new window basically is what it amounts to. If you do preview inline, it keeps it embedded in the page and just makes it viewable there. So I prefer to do that. However, you don't want to expand it by default or it fills up your whole page with, if you have multiple files posted on a page, you have basically a page that's too big. So preview, but don't expand by default. Once you're done, then you can save it. Once that's done, then your students can click on the link and they'll be able to see it in the embedded viewer. And there we are. All right, so that should cover how to do it when they're done reading it. Excuse me. When they're done reading it, they can click on that and it will collapse the viewer. If they do need to keep the PDF file, they can click on this download link here and it will download it to their computers. So either way they have it. All right, that is the easy way to embed a document. You can do that with Word documents, you can do it with PDF files, whatever you choose. Now, let's go ahead just really quickly and look at how to upload a video. Because you're going to need to upload videos. You don't, however, want to host them in file. We don't want to put videos in Canvas because they take up too much space. So let's go ahead, and the easy way we're going to do this is host it in Office 365, Microsoft OneDrive. We click back on our Grayson Vikings applications. Click on Office 365. Excuse me. And we're going to use the little waffle launcher up here to launch OneDrive. This is the Microsoft version of a cloud drive. And what I want to do is find a video. So I'm going to do Upload, File, and go to Videos, and there's one there. Okay, I'm just going to pick one at random. And it'll tell me right up here, uploading one item. The item will be uploaded shortly. And there it is. Okay. Once I have it, I'm going to say it's this one. Now I've got it hosted. I'm going to click on it as though I were going to view it. And it should be playing, and it is. It just starts off dark. Stop. All right. So I want to view this, but I want to view it in stream. So click on the drop down arrow here, view in stream. The reason I want to do that is because in stream it will generate closed caption things for me that I need. So tell it transcripts, stop again. I'm going to tell it under transcripts, I want to generate transcripts. It will do that for me, and they're really accurate transcripts. They're also searchable. It'll give me a little box here, and I'll show you where shortly that the little box shows up that I can type a keyword into, and then anywhere in this video in the script that mentions that keyword, it will take me to those points in the video and make clickable links for them. So it's really convenient to have that feature. But what we're interested in is embedding it, and to do that we're going to click Share, Embed Code, and this is just like embedding a YouTube video. We have some parameters here we can set, but then when we're done, we're going to copy the embed code. And we're done with stream at that point. We can close this. And we're done there. Close that. I'm going to close all these links that are in the way. All right, let's go back to video now. The trick here is we want to edit, but not in the point and click editor. We want to go down here to these little angle brackets, if you can see those. That opens up the HTML editor. And I'm just going to drop down a line or two and paste it in. I'm going to go back to the point and click editor, which clicks on the angle brackets again. And there's our video, sure enough. I'm going to save that. Now I also can get my transcripts here, by the way. Unfortunately, it hasn't had time to generate. Otherwise, it would have a little transcript up here, and it would print those out. So I don't have my transcripts generated yet.
Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well today.
Don't have closed captions yet either.
Green, white, and structural
it would also
designer
leave a link down here that says CC.
Just thought I would
the problem is I uploaded
one last-minute stream
so
before I called it.
Hasn't had time to generate those text files yet. So when it does, they are very accurately done. But anyway, that's the best way to embed a video into Canvas. You don't want to host it down here in Files. You want to just copy embed code, and that works for YouTube. That works for anything. In fact, let's go to YouTube real quickly here. We'll go to YouTube and just pick a video at random. And what you'll see is there's a share button down here as well. And the embed code is here. And the copy is the same. You just click the copy button and go back to your Canvas page. You embed it the same. We're going to edit. We're going to go to the HTML editor and paste it in. I'm going to drop down a couple of lines. And now, when we go back, we should have another video down below what we had. Okay, and we sure enough do. All right, so that is the best way to embed video. You do not want to host it in Canvas. You want to embed it from YouTube or from Stream, or the database video repositories that we have available to us also provide embed code. So you'll be able to pretty much any video that you're going to find on the internet that's supposed to be shared will have embed code available, because they don't want you copying the video or downloading a copy of it and posting it yourself. They want you to simply embed it. And so there you have it. I sincerely hope that this has answered your questions. That is the best way that I know to build a page. There was one other thing I was going to show you, so let's go back real quickly. You know, I showed you earlier about putting things into modules. If you, the better way to do it, if you're looking at a module and you want to put a, let's say you want to put a page in here, you'll click the plus sign, you'll go to page, create page up here. You'll highlight that, give the page a name, and I like to indent one. But when you add it, it creates a blank page for you that you can click on, and now you can edit it just like we were editing those pages earlier. It's easier to do that than to build it in Pages and then drag it and then find it and then upload it that way. You can also, that's how you want to build modules. You can do that with assignments, you can do that with quizzes, and you can do that with Pages. So anyway, I hope that helped. If you have questions for Todd or I, please feel free to get in touch with us. That is our function in life. We enjoy helping people get their Canvas up online. So if you have questions or you need something from us, we have video equipment available. We have expertise. We can help you edit videos. We can help you embed videos. We can even help you find videos. If you're just looking for material for your class, give us a call and we will do our best to make your job easier. Hope you have a good semester. Thanks.